Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 28th, 2021. Let's talk about Novavax real quick. I wanted to come in. I got a couple of comments on some of my videos. Wanted me to come in and update you all as to what I'm thinking about the market and Novavax. So today's going to be that day. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I give you all the non-fluff, the non-FOMO, the non-FUD content because the news is already here. If you guys can understand how to dissect price, bars, and volume, you guys can actually know where the market is headed without all the noise. This is why I say money talks and noise walks. Everything else that everyone else is trying to get you all to see and study and try to use is all noise. Just pay attention to what the money is saying, and then you guys become more prevalent, profitable in your predictions. So check this out. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel if you guys want more of this simple content. Now, I did a video, right, December the 17th for Novavax. I was telling you all to look for the price in Novavax to go up. I was playing the strength into the market then. Now, it was very short-lived. The market did not go up for a long period of time. You only had 2 days, actually maybe a day following our price prediction to actually capitalize on some profits. Now, the market high came in on December the 20th, where the price went all the way up there to $236.50. Since that time, price has been coming down. This is how volatile the market is at times. This is why you need to know when to get in, what is your price target, and when to get out. And when it hits it, you just go. Don't try to look back and say, well, maybe I could inch out a couple more cents. Maybe I could get a couple percentage points in profitability. No, just go and leave, because you end up putting yourself through more stressful situations because you're trying to be greedy. And you cannot be greedy. You just simply need to get what the market is offering to you and move on, right? Because since that time, Novavax has been coming down in price. So if you wasn't able to get the market high, right there around 21.3%, you were to get out the play now, right? Look at that. You're down 14.25. This is why you need to know the moment you hit that buy or sell button, you need to know, okay, at what price am I leaving? And once it gets there, leave. Period. Okay. Now, if you're in this for the long term, I get it. You should not even be paying attention to the market on a day-to-day basis because you're in this for the long term. Maybe you need to come in and check on a monthly basis, every 3 months, every 6 months, to come in and see where price is if you're a long-term holder. This is why I understand. If you're a long-term holder into the market in these stocks, you come in on a day-to-day basis to see what the market is doing. This is how you become more irrational and emotional, because you're looking on a smaller perspective or spectrum to try to figure out what price is going to do next. See, look at this. If I'm a long-term holder in Novavax, check this out. I wouldn't be worried about the price right now because the market currently is still upholding to this overall trend. That is golden. I already know as long as price upholds this overall trend, we're going to go up in price. Simple. Now, we break this trend, then yeah, we need to talk. The market didn't pan out to what you expected, and just cut it. The market is already speaking. You cannot go back and change these price bars. They're etched. You cannot go back and manipulate it to act like it didn't happen. This is everyone's consensus as to what they're thinking about Novavax. So why would we try to act like it is not real? This is very real. So from a broad sense, can we still see Novavax go up? Yes. Why? Because price is still trending above that ascending line. That's it. Now, from my realm, if we're looking for price to go down, we need to see what is the chances of price not upholding to that ascending line. We need to try to answer that, because if so, we might want to leave the market now if we're predicting the price to go lower and overall break this trend, right? I mean, when you want to do that. So this is the market in Novavax on a 2-day time frame, okay, right here. Question, what do you think? Because what I'm seeing into the market in Novavax may not actually be weakness. Let me show you something else. Instead of us actually trending higher in Novavax, do you think that this is possible? Do you think the market in Novavax is trading in a channel? Let me take that away. You see this? Yeah. What do you think? Do you think the market is trading in the channel in Novavax? That's also possible, simply by looking at what the price chart is showing us. So again, we need to be paying attention to this area right here. I'm gonna keep it real. This is the area that we need to be paying attention to in the market in Novavax. Under no circumstance can we see price break 140. I would probably bring it down just a tad lower to like 125. Price cannot break no lower than 125 because that would literally erase the prospect of price going up and even the prospect of price trade within those two lines I had horizontally. So yeah, we are at a very crucial spot. We need to see the buyers approach. We need to see the buyers show up. They gotta show up in order for us to see this play out right. So this is Novavax right here on the 3-day. What do you think? Do you think the buyers are showing up right now? 5-day. What do you think? Do you think price is going to go up? Do you think price is going to go down? Because as of this particular moment, I would say that the buyers are winning out just slightly. They're winning slightly. They're not doing a fantastic job of keeping the sellers at bay. The sellers are still hitting them. They're still trying to drop this price in Novavax. But as of this moment, the buyers are winning, but not by much. And I say that because price is able to trade above 160 and even above this ascending line. Okay. So you still need to be on guard if you're looking for the price of Novavax to go up. I'm just trying to give you all the play. Okay. This is it on the 2 weeks. All right. Now, this is not massively bullish. Yeah, it's not. Let me show you why. Okay, I'm gonna show you the answers, the language of these charts right here. This is a 2-week price bar right here, right? Look at what happened. Price in Novavax went down. Immediately, the next 2 weeks, price went up. But right now, price is coming right back down. This tells you that the market is getting walloped with selling. Yes. Because if the market truly were strong in Novavax, we would have seen the price continue to go up from this spot here, right? We would have seen the price continue to go up. But instead, it came right back down. That is weakness. Yeah, I know you probably don't want to hear that, but I mean, what can you do about it? You can't change it. Even if I wanted to change it, I can't change it. The market has spoken. Now, let me show you off the 3 weeks. Okay, look at this on the 3 weeks. All of this is hinting that the market overall in Novavax is being sold off. Majority of this price action right here from a 3-week perspective is mostly selling, right? Which is not a good thing. I mean, take a look at this. It's not like the market in Novavax is in an upward trend. This is the overall price history in Novavax. Look, right here. And we already saw market in Novavax come up to, $280, $260, just like we did back in 2015, just like we did back in 2001. Majority of the trading in Novavax happens below $160. Okay. This goes all the way back to 1996. Majority of the trading happens below 160. So what do you really think the market is trying to do in Novavax for a long-term move? I mean, do you think the market is going to continue to go up from where it is now? Or do you think we're going to see the market break? Five weeks. This is even worse on a 5-week time frame in the market in Novavax. Yeah, we should have seen the price continue to go up in Novavax on this current 5-weekly price bar. We got 3 days and 6 hours left. So again, anything can change. So give me a margin of error regarding what I am showing you all today. But as of right now, the market generally has told us that they're looking for the price to come down in Novavax. Okay, now let me show you what my expectations are, because they're, like I told you, buyers are currently winning in the market in Novavax, right? They are. And the only reason why they are winning is because, like I said, price hasn't broken this trend. Okay. I'm going to play the weakness though. Now, that means I understand that market can still come and bounce off of this ascending line. We might even bounce off of 160. That is why I'm not going to be massively bearish right now, but from a 3 weeks, 5 weeks, monthly time frame, this market is massively weak in Novavax. So if you're looking for the market from that time realm, then yeah, I would definitely be playing the weakness here in this space for Novavax. Okay. And I'm going to be weak into the market in Novavax until we see this price break above $200. Okay. 200. Now, since I know that buyers are trying to prop up the price in Novavax, I don't want to be massively greedy in terms of us looking for the price to come down, right? I don't. So I'm already looking at, the market in Novavax trying to prop up its price right now, just like it did today. On any movement back down to 155, I need to take that 6.5% out the market and move on, because I understand that the buyers have a daunting task ahead of them, but they're still winning slightly. So I don't want to become massively weak in the market in Novavax right now. I would definitely become massively weak in Novavax, especially if we see price break 140 to the downside. Right? This will be a continuation. See the price in Novavax break this trend, and I still see weakness. I will continue to play the weakness into the market to 120. Yes, I will. That will be my prediction. Now, I have given you all my expectations. I'm playing the weakness into the market in Novavax. I got 160 first, right? 160 is first. My second area is going to be 155. Okay, that gives me around 7% movement to the downside in Novavax. My third area is going to be around 140, which is around 15%. Okay, the biggest ultimate area though is going to be down here towards 120. Okay, which is around 24% movement to the downside in Novavax. Yes, that would take us breaking this overall trend. And overall, like I said, in a long-term perspective, I can see it happening. I've shown you the 2 weeks, the 3 weeks, the 5 weeks, the monthly time frames. You all saw how weak the market is from that time. So let's go ahead and do it. Now, you don't have to believe me. You don't have to even take my prediction as accurate, but you need to try it yourself. What are you seeing into the market in Novavax? I mean, what are you expecting? Are you expecting the price to pop up? Are you expecting the price to move up? What are you looking forward to? This is just my thoughts, my price prediction. Now I give you the opportunity to show me yours. Drop me a comment real quick and tell me where you think Novavax is going to go to start out 2022. You guys can see my expectations right here. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.